We're going to deal with some on and off rain again. The Greek Fest, can you believe that's already taking place? It started about an hour ago. We'll have mostly cloudy skies during this time frame. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 70s. The stickiness is going to be there. A stray shower not out of the question with what's coming up across Lake Erie at the moment, but it is starting to fizzle out by the time it gets here. And much of what you see just north of Cleveland coming into southern Ontario is also pushing a little bit further north. So we could be just sandwiched in the correct spot to not deal with those showers. But the potential for some scattered thunderstorms are going to be there across the southern tier into the afternoon. We'll put some timing on that and where we can expect it. But that air quality alert is in effect. I talked about it earlier, and then you saw it on Skycam as well. Through midnight tonight, the AQI value is near 100 for ozone and particle pollution. It's the particle pollution that we have an issue with, the wildfire smoke kind of mixing down, and that's where we are, where we could see it to the orange level, so unhealthy for sensitive groups. So there's a color and then also numbers attached to that. And the orange, what that means is members of sensitive groups that may have lung issues can experience some health effects if you're doing things outside, but generally for the general public, they're less affected by this. So our today's forecast. Depending on where we are, you may get a little more sunshine in Niagara Falls. You might be a little bit milder as well. Batavia's had a few spotty showers, socked in with a little more cloud cover. And then Jamestown has the shot for those thunderstorms. For the overnight, a few spotty showers around, some patchy fog is going to be there. And let's talk about Saturday, because our farmers markets, they haven't had the best hand over the past several weeks. We are going to have much more sunshine, milder conditions into the afternoon for our farmers market. And actually, we're starting out pretty pleasant in the lower 60s. So let's talk about this hourly forecast into the afternoon. We'll have some scattered showers, potentially a few rumbles of thunder that are going to be possible, especially into northern Pennsylvania as we get into the late afternoon. And that's where some gustier winds or heavier downpours are going to be. Some flash flooding concerns